There simply just isn't enough time in the day. Trying to balance out your daily routines with family and friends and work seems hard sometimes. Now your travel time also can be very time consuming. Then you get to work and you're dealing with all these personalities. You've got your disgruntled employee that complains all the time. And then you've got your funny employee. You like her though because she keeps you laughing. She's hilarious. Then, of course, you've got your sick employee. No matter what you do, they're always sick, and you try to give her some advice or some home remedies. Where's my mask? Then you've got your boss time. Of course, your boss has all these ideas of how you can do things better. I need a raise. Now it's time to travel again at home, and you're dealing with all the travel time. And you finally get home, and your husband is wondering what's for dinner tonight. And you immediately have to turn into Superwoman while your kid is doing jumping jacks for some reason. Then the dog wants some time. So you take the dog for a walk, and luckily hubby takes over, gives the dog some time, gives the dog some training. Actually, I don't know who's doing the training here. Then you finally get dinner cooked, and it's time for dinner time. You serve dinner, everyone's happy, everyone's eaten. Just isn't enough time. I need to chill out, so I have chill out time, sip on some coffee, check some things out, and then the daughter comes in and she's upset about her dad not letting her go to the mall, so that turns into mother and daughter time. I finally get in the bed. I'm tired, had a rough day. Then all of a sudden, what the heck? Are you serious? He's got that look in his eye. I've got the thermometer in my mouth. I'm laying here with all my clothes on. Nothing's going to deter him tonight. So, this is you the next morning. You're exhausted. You didn't get any sleep, and of course you would love to make extra money. But who in the world has time to put it in their schedule? We need to find a way where we can make some income. So we're going to talk about 5 ways to make money while you sleep. Oh yeah, please subscribe and hit that like button. I appreciate it. And welcome to Beat of Her Drum. Okay, so you know what? In this segment, we're not going to talk about stocks or rental properties, peer-to-peer lending, or Amazon FBA. All these are great ways to make money while you sleep, but they take initial investment. We're going to talk about the things that you can do right now that won't take money to get started. So, what is passive income? It's income that is received automatically, and it generally requires little or no effort to maintain once it is set up. What are the advantages of passive income? It gives you freedom of time. It runs on autopilot 24/7. It gives you the freedom to pursue what you love, little or no maintenance, and the income is set up to pay the way that you desire on autopilot. So you can see how clearly important it is to have passive income. Let's get started. Number 1, blogging. You just find a niche, write articles about that niche, and be consistent with your writing and offer products and services. You can always outsource if you don't have the means and time to do your own writing. Number 2, affiliate marketing. You can set up landing pages, you can join programs and place those links in your blogs or videos. And you can also, you very well definitely need to get a mentor to learn the ins and outs of affiliate marketing. There's a lot to it, but you can do this. Write an ebook. Find your niche, for example, dog training. Once you get your ebook complete, it will generate income on autopilot. You can outsource help in writing or structuring your ebook. Number 4, webinar or video trainings. You can record your classes or simply make videos. As you all know, YouTube is one of the ways that you can earn passive income. You can charge membership fees, or you can charge per class if you decide to do a webinar. You can outsource your video editing, or you can do the editing yourself. Now this last one, I'm going to do this one specifically for musicians because I am a musician. So, number 5, the ways that you can make money while you sleep. Is through royalties. Write songs, write music, you can create a catalog, you can copyright that music, but that music will live on for years to come while it generates income for you. So, what are you waiting for? Now you got to remember, it's going to take time to get these things set up. But you can create passive income. You will need to do some research, like how do I set up my blog? I will possibly do a video on that as well because I do have my own blog. You can outsource things that you don't have time to do on Fiverr. I will leave the link below. It's a great place to get a little help if you don't know how to do things like make your own logo. You will be so happy that you did all of this work because you will create passive income. It will be so worth it to have income while you sleep. Keep learning on how to make money while you sleep, and you will build wealth. Thanks again for watching. You can visit my blog at www.djladydrummer.com. Are you serious? Man, I got work to do. I gotta go. I'll see you at home.